TrapMan folding wood pigeon trap. When you receive it, take the tie off, retain the tie, easy to set up, just unfold it, pull the back down, setting, make sure this rake is on the back of the door. Lift the door up to the top of the cage, bring your setting lever up through the top of the cage onto the mark bar. The trap's set. Now wood pigeon are a bit of a pain to get in, so a bit of bait to start with just to get him enticed into the front of the cage, a few down the trap and quite a bit underneath the tread plate. Wood pigeon walks in, stands on the tread plate, caught. Door's locked, can't get out.